Hrim Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to the Tirumandiram Satsang. Let us all pray to Shri Guru Babaji, our Master Shriyam, and Tirumular to bless us and guide us in this path in understanding these holy verses, hear them, read them, understand them, and imbibe the essence of it and progress in the spiritual path. With this prayer, we'll start the class. Om Hrim Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. 1039. உத்தமன் சோதி உளன் ஒரு பாலனாய் மத்திமனாகி மலர்ந்து அங்கு இருந்திடும் பச்சிம திக்கும் பறந்து குழிந்தன சத்திமானாக தழைத்த கொடியே. We are looking at the Homa Kuntas, the different Kuntas. Different the Homa Kuntam is the body in our body itself. What are all the things? What are all the Homa Kuntas that are there, and what is that Ahudi? All about that only we saw in this earlier verses. So, Uttaman Jodi Ulan Uru Balanai. Uttama Jodi, the supreme energy. He shines as the effulgence. He is the effulgence. He is Balanai Mattimanagi. He is like a small boy from the Mooladhara. Here, Tirumula, when the energy just rises, he compares it with the Balan. Balan means young lad. And when it reaches Sahasrara, he compares that energy, because it is so magnificent, to a youth, Ilanyan. Mattivanagi Balan Mattivan. He is a youth. So from the energy, when it just springs up from the Mooladhara, it is Balan, young lad, and when it goes up to the Sahasrara, he is a strong youth. Pachimadikum Parandu Kulindana. Pachimadikku. Pachima means west side. The west side is the back of our head. Here, this energy rises from the Mooladhara, it rises up here, and then it goes to the Sahasrara. He resides there, in the Agnya Chakra. Pachimadikum Parandu Kulindana Sattimanaga Taraita Kodiye. So since he is the Shaktiman, he is the supreme Shiva, Taraita Kodi, like a vine, the Devi, the divine feminine energy. It is also with the supreme energy. The masculine and feminine energy unite here. It is Ida and Pingala. Or then from the Sushumna, when the energy rises up, energies are balanced, the prana is balanced, it rises up, and when it joins, it is like the union of Lord Shiva and Shakti. 1040. Arutchelvam Akkini Gundam. Kodiyaaru Shendru Kulaviya Kundam. Adi Iru Konamai Andamum Okkum. Padi Elu Ulagum Paranda Sudarai. Madiyadu Kandavar Ma Dhanamame. Ma Dhanam means huge wealth. In 40. Kodiyaaru Shendru Kulaviya Kundam. The fire spreads as Kundalini. So the Kundalini energy It spreads adiyiru kodamai andamum okkum. It spreads to all the six adharas, six chakras, and reaches the Agnya, the two-petaled center from the Mooladhara. From the Mooladhara, Adiyiru Konama, Iru Konama, from the Mooladhara it spreads as to, see, to from this angle and this angle it raises and spreads. Those who படியேழ் உலகும் பரந்த சுடரே, படியேழ் உலகம், in the seven worlds, and it spreads and reaches the seven worlds. From the, we saw in the Chandra Yogam, we saw, no, there is a world of sun, lunar world and all that. Seven spheres, seven dimensions. Sir has recently told in one satsang video clip, when I was scrolling, it just came. I will locate it, and it's very interesting. That's he's telling that what are all the worlds which are in the macrocosm. We all saw in these Tirumandiram verses so far that what is there in the microcosm is there in the macrocosm. So to access the macrocosm, you can access it within them. When you touch that space, touch that center in your body, in your microcosm, you can touch that macrocosm. So all the deities, all the lokas, everything is in you. கொடியாறு சென்று குலாவிய குண்டம் அடியேறு கோணமாய் அந்தமும் ஒக்கும். It rises and spreads to the seven. படியேழு உலகம் பறந்து சுடர். The fire, the energy which spreads to all the seven worlds. மடியாது கண்டவர் மாதனமாமே. மடியாது means without any tiredness, without any laziness. Don't feel like doing, not like that. Every day there is enthusiasm. Every day, persistently, those who do this tapas, do this yoga, Madhanamame, that is the greatest treasure for them. They have found the treasure within themselves. So they are so with zeal, with enthusiasm, with devotion, they are practicing this. That is 1041. மாதனமாக வளர்கின்ற வன்னியை சாதனமாக சமைந்த குருவென்றும் போதனமாக பொருந்த உலகாலும் பாதனமாக பரிந்தது பார்த்தே. மாதனமாக வளர்கின்ற வன்னி, we saw that word denotes fire. So Madhanam, this is the greatest treasure. What is the greatest treasure? By balancing, following all the Ashtanga Yoga and raising the energy through the from the Mooladhara to the Sahasrara. That is the greatest treasure, which bestows immense grace, bliss, and everything. As once you taste that, you don't want anything in this world. You don't seek anything in this. You are already full. Those who have raised this energy are blessed, and then that energy itself is the Guru. The Guru is the energy, the supreme energy which is within you, and that will guide. That guides. They worship it as their Guru, and it guides them to reach their goal, and it takes them to this Purunda Ulahalum. It takes them to all the world. They can rule the entire world. Padanamaga parindadu parthe. Padanam means with the depth, with the intensity. When they do this, when they do this dhyana, they do this tapas, they derive this maximum benefits and this Guru, this energy guides them till they reach their goal. 1042. பார்த்திடம் எங்கும் பரந்து எழு ஜோதியை ஆத்தமதாகவே ஆய்ந்து அறிவார் இல்லை. காத்து உடலுள்ளே கருதி இருந்தவர் மூத்து உடல் கோடி யுகம் கண்டவாறே. பார்த்திடம் எங்கும் பரந்தெழு ஜோதியை, wherever you see this only he is there, only the supreme energy is there. ஆத்தமதாகவே, he is the only to say only he is the only friend, he is the only one person who is my companion, my support. When you consider him that ஆத்த அமதாகவே ஆய்ந்து அறிவார் இல்லை, people do not realize that he is your companion, he is your support, he is that energy is there guiding you. Without seeking it, you are seeking elsewhere. ஆத்தமதாகவே ஆய்ந்து அறிவார் இல்லை, nobody realizes that. காத்து உடலுள்ளே கருதி இருந்தவர், those who have realized that the supreme energy which is residing in here, coiled up in the Mooladhara, when it writes us and teaches the Sahasrara, that is your Guru, that guides, that is the greatest treasure. Those who have realized that and absorbed in that Ananda, மூத்து உடல் கோடி யுகம் கண்டவாறு, they can live for crores of years. That means they are immortal. See, still we are reading Tirumoola, still we are worshiping. He is living in his verses. 1043, that energy is still there. 1043. உகம் கண்ட 9 குண்டமும் ஒக்க அகம் கண்ட யோகியுள் நாடி எழுப்பும் பயம் கண்டு கொண்ட இப்பாய் கரு ஒப்ப சகம் கண்டு கொண்டது சாதனமாமே. Jagam is Sagam in Tamil. Jagam is the world. Sagam kandu kondadu, the world considers them, uses them. Ugam kanda 9 kundamum okka. The yogi, 9 kundam, the Navakundas are within the body. So in the Navakundas he does this yajna, he raises the fire and worship the Lord. Aham kanda yogiyul naadi eluppu. Within himself he worships the Lord through the yajnas in all the 9 kundas. Bayam kandu konda ippai karuvappa, that is afraid to take birth, afraid to take another life. Ippai karuvappa. So the yogis avoid it and they see, but they don't want to go through the cycle of birth and death again. So they follow the spiritual path and through all these teachings, through all these practices, they raise the energy to the Sahasrara and they live for yugas. And the world uses this yogi for its benefit, for its upliftment, because that means the yogi is he is a gift to the mankind, he is gift to the world, because he lifts up the world. Jagam kandu kondadu sadhana mame. Sadhana means instrument. The Jagam, the world, here is an instrument who can lift us. Like that, the world considers the yogi who has realized the divine within himself. 1044. சாதனை 4 தழல் 3 வில் பயம் வேதனை, வட்டம், விளையாறு, பூநிலை, போதனை, போது 5, பொற்கய, வாரண நாதனை, நாடு, நவகோடி தானே. So he is the, what are the Navakundas? They say Navakundas, in the literal sense, it is the 9 Homakundas of different shapes. Is it outside or inside? It is within us. Sadhanai 4, the 4 sides of sadhana. Chariya, Kriya, Yoga, Jnana. That is the square kunta. Now he is the external kunta is, the internal kunta is linked to the external kunta. So when you do the homa in all these things, how you should perceive it, how you should approach it. So it is happening in this body. 4 சாதனை 4, தழல் 3, the triangle, தழல் 3, முக்கோணம் means three-sided triangle. Vil Vayam, that is semicircular like a bent bow. Vilai 6, 6 circle, it is 6 sides like the Adaras within. Vattam, the circular like a hole. And Poonilai, Podhanai, Podaindu, Porkaya, Varan. And the 8 sides are the 8 directions. The lotus, heart shape like the people leaf. 5 sides like the letter Namachivaya. Oval shape like the golden bowl, that is the yoni. These are all the 9 kundas. The 9 kundas are within us, he says. Where in the heart shape is like a people tree, in the people leaf, and the 6 Adaras are the 6th kona, and the circular one, but is the whole, the in the body, and the semicircular like a bent bow. All these things are found in the body. So when you do the external yajna in the external homakunda, it corresponds to the inner parts, inner centers in the body. 1045. Here Shakti Bedam, here he starts talking about the divine feminine energy, the feminine aspect of the energy. The energy, when it is still, it is motionless, it is achalam, there is no movement, then it is the static energy. When the energy moves, without movement, things cannot happen, things cannot move. That moving energy, when it is in motion, it is the dynamic energy. The achalam, the static energy, is Shiva, and the moving energy is the Parashakti. Without Parashakti, all these creations would not have happened. It is not possible without her. So here Tirumoolar describes the glory of the Shakti in the following verses. Mamayai, Mayai, Vaindavam, Paikari, Omayai, Ulloli, ஓராறு கோடியில் தாமான மந்திரம் சக்திதன் மூர்த்திகள் ஆமாய அளவாம் திருப்புரை அங்கே. Tripurai, the various names of the Shakti, how they call Narani, Sundari, Tripurai, Andari, Mandari, Sundari. We hear in all the movie songs as well as in all these devotional songs. Narani, Irulpurai, Ishi, Manonmani, so many names for the divine feminine energy. Mamai, from the dynamic Shakti came the Tripurai Chakra, and she resides in Mamaya, that is Maya. Mamaya is Maya without past karma. Maya is ignorance. Ignorance without, there is no karma, but the jiva is ignorant. Maya, the jiva is caught in lot of karma, and he is in total ignorance. Vaindavam, the jnana shakti, the shakti which is required to realize the divinity in us, that is covered by Maya. That is called Vaindavam. Vaikari. Here, in the Vaikari sounds, because there is a subtle link to the sound. That is why Sir always says that music takes you, that is one step below God. So the sound is very, very important. Where from the sound comes. Generally we don't pay attention to the sounds when we talk and all that. The grossest level of sound, which is heard through external organs, it is called Vaikari Vak. When we talk, that is, but when I am talking and you are hearing through your external senses, this is Vaikari Vak. Madhyama Vak is mental speech. See, when thoughts come, almost there is a chattering. There is a chattering going on, no, in our minds. That is Madhyama Vak, through the mental speech. Pashyanti Vak is the Vak from the heart with intelligence. This is intuitive. And Paravak is the highest, that is beyond mind. There is no distinction between the sound and the object. You infer, that is beyond mind. So Vaikari Vak is Kriya Shakti. Madhyama Vak is power of knowledge, Jnana Shakti. Vaikari is Kriya Shakti, power of the action. And that corresponds to Bhuloka. Madhyama Vak is Jnana Shakti. It is Bhuvaloka. The power of will, Pashyanti, that is Ichcha Shakti, that is Suvaha. So this corresponds to there is a big science in this. We saw in the earlier, what is Asabai. Asabai we saw, no, that how from the unuttered sound, the sound with not with the rubbing of two objects. So the sound primordial, which manifests sound, self-manifest. That is Asabai we saw. There, Om, the first Om, Omkaram is that Asabai mantra, Pranava. Pranava is not created, it is there always, that Pranava. So that Akaram is Bhuloka, Ukaram is Bhuvaloka, and Makaram is Suvaloka. That represents the three states, Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. And it corresponds to Sthula, Sukshma and casual body. And that corresponds to Vaikari, Madhyama, Pashyanti. And the Bindu, that is Paravak, that is the Turiya state. So she is in the sound Vaikari Vak. When you talk, she is the sound. Om Maya, that is she is the Pranava, the unuttered, but she is in the Turiya state also. Maya, Vaindavam, Vaikari, Om Maya, Ulloli, the inner effulgence, Ullori, Orar Kodiyil, தாமான மந்திரம் சக்திதன் மூர்த்திகள் ஆமாய அளவாம் திருப்பறை ஆங்கே. She is in all these states, and she is beyond all these states. The divine energy is beyond all these states. She is Shiva Shakti. 1046. Tripurai சுந்தரி அந்தரி சிந்துர பரிபுரை நாரணியாம் பல வண்ணத்தி இருள்புரை ஈசி மனோன்மணி என்ன வருபலவாய் நிற்கும் மாமாது தானே. வருபலவாய் நிற்கும் மாமாது. மாமாது is woman. மாமாது is Parashakti, the divine Parashakti. How the 9 Shakti, Navashakti Swarupini, you say that. The Navashakti, we saw that the Icha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, and the power of the creation, sustenance, destruction, everything is without her, nothing happens. Tripurai means that is Surya, Chandra, three-sided Tripurai. So Surya, Chandra and Agni, that is solar, lunar and Agni, fire. She is Sundari, she is beautiful. Andari, she is space. Sindura Paripurai, she is Sindura, she is red colored one who protects the world. Paripurai, who protects the world. Narani, she is Durga and she is Sriman Narayana's wife consort, Lakshmi. Irulpurai Ishi Manonmani, dark hued Manonmani, she rules the minds. Irulpurai Ishi Manonmani, she is all this in all these states and beyond this states. 1047. தானா அமைந்தவம் முப்புறம் தன்னிடை தானான மூவுரு ஓர்வுரு தன்மையள். தானான பொன் செம்மை வெண்ணிறத்தாள் கல்வி தானான போகமும் முக்தியும் நல்குமே. தானாக அமைந்தவம் முப்புறம் தன்னிடை. முப்புறம் means again the mummalam, the 3 impurities, the ignorance, ego and karma. So in earlier, if you remember the earlier verses, in that we saw the fortress of how the demons had 3 fortresses, and Shiva destroyed those demons and conquered those fortresses. That is called the Tripura Ragasyam. And we saw all those where all it Shiva enacted the drama, that Leela, that we all saw in the earlier verse, if you remember. So that is Muppuram. There is even Lalita Sahasranama, it comes. It refers to the spheres, the centers within our body. That is silver gate, iron gate, like that. Gold, silver, iron, and the color is red, yellow and black. And she is Muppuram means represents Lakshmi, Saraswati and Parvati. Lakshmi represents wealth, Saraswati represents Lakshmi, yes, wealth, and Saraswati knowledge, and Parvati mukti, liberation she grants. So for the Muppuram Devi, these are all the explanation. That is, she is in all these states. Akochari, she is one cannot be reached by the mind and speech. She is beyond that. This Tripurai is the sound and the destination of sound. What is the destination of sound? When the sound, all the sound stops, there is absolute stillness. She is stillness. She is, when it is moving, she is sound. She is also the great effulgence that pervades the entire cosmos. This Devi, who is light and sound and grants everything, she is beyond Vak, and she grants the wisdom. Varum palavai irulpari isi manonmani ennevaru palavai nirkum. She is everywhere. She is in all these things. Mamadhani, she is the Parashakti. தானான பொன் செம்மை வெண்ணிறத்தாள் கல்வி தானான போகமும் முக்தி. She gives, grants you enjoyment. Mukti, she grants you liberation. She is in the gold, and gold, silver and iron. That represents the Mummaya, Manavam, Kadmam, Maya. That is ego, Kadmam, karma, and Maya, ignorance. She represents all the states. She is in that state and she is beyond the state. What we have to understand is without this movement, without this energy, nothing moves in the world. So that primordial energy is within us. She is residing within us. That is why this body, Tirumula says, this body is a temple, and the deity is within. 1048. நல்கும் திருப்புரை நாதாந்தங்கள் பல்கும் பரவிந்து பாரண்டமானவை நல்கும் பறை அபிராமி அகோச்சரி புல்கும் அருள அப்போதம் தந்தாளுமே. This Tiruppurai is the sound. Here only. Nadantangal. She is Nada and she is beyond the Nada. Palgum Paravindu Parandamanave. She is in all the Andam, all the lokas. Abhirami, Akochari. She is Abhirami. She is Akochari. Akochari, that's what we saw earlier. One cannot be reached by the mind and walk. She is beyond that. நல்கும் பரபிராம கோச்சரி புல்கும் அருள அப்போதம் தந்து ஆளுமே. புல்குதல் means to fit in. She is within. She is in this body. She is residing in this body. Pulgum arulum. She is the arul. She is the one who can liberate us, who is the one who grants us everything. Bodham. Bodham means jnana. She is the one who grants the jnana to cross this, to progress, to ascend, to get that freedom, to set us free. And she is the guide. She is the Kundalini which is residing, coiled up in the Mooladhara. So here he is talking about the energies. 1049. Raja Rajeshwari, she is. Dharani, Thalani Nupuram. Thalani Nupuram. செம்பட்டு தானுடை வாரணி கொங்கை மலர்கண்ணல் வாளிவில் ஏரணி அங்குச பாசம் எழில்முடி காரணி மாமணி குண்டல காதிக்கே. Here, like the Shivananda, the Saundarya Lagari, here Tirumula describes the beauty and the jewels the Devi is wearing. He is describing her beauty. Thalani Nupuram, she is wearing anklets in her beautiful feet. Chembattu Thanudai, she wears the red robe. Bharani Kongai Malarkannal Vali Vil, her breasts are covered with the corsets. Malarkannal, she holds the sugar cane in one hand, and in another hand, what she is wearing, holding. Yerani Angusam. Angusam is the elephant goat. The goat to control the elephant. That Angusam. Pasham. Yedilmudi Karani. In her beautiful hair, tresses, she is wearing the crown. And she wears the Karani Mamani Kundala Kadike. She wears the earrings in her ears. She is the Rajarajeshwari with the sugar cane in her hand. And her energy radiates in all the 4 directions. 1050. குண்டலக்காதி கொலைவிர் புருவத்தள் கொண்ட வரத்தினின் மண்ணு கோலத்தள் கண்டிகை ஆரம் கதிர்முடி மாமதி சண்டிகை நாற்றிசை தாங்கி நின்றாளே. The Devi wears Devi's ears are adorned with the beautiful earrings. கொலைவிர் புருவத்தாள், her eyebrows will kill anyone, will kill enemies. Such powerful eyebrow which represents a bent bow. கொலைவிர் புருவத்தில் கொண்ட வரத்தினின் மண்ணு கோலத்தல், and she is radiant and red in color. Kandigai Aram, she wears haram necklaces on her. Kadirmudi Mamadi, in her beautiful head the crescent moon beams. Mamadi Shandigai Natrisai Tangi Nindrale, her energy radiates in all four directions. You may visualize a Devi standing in front of you like that, with all her majesty, with all her glory. They have experienced it, so they have written Saundarya Lakari, this Abhirami Andadi, everything. 1050. 1050 only we saw, no? 1051. Nindra Tiripurai Neelum Puradani. Puradani means the ancient one. Nindra Tiripurai Neelum Puradani. Kundralil Mogini, she is Mogini. Madiru Kunjigai Nandra Ari Kandigai Narkar Karidani Tundriya Narsudha Tamarai Suttaye. Irukkunjigai is the dark hair. Nindra Tirupurai Neelum Puradani, she is ancient, she is Tirupurai. Kundralil Mogini, she is Mogini, her beauty never wanes. Madiru Kunjigai Nandrari Kandigai, on the crown of her dark tresses the Ganga flows. She wears Kandigai, one sort of jewel. Narkar Kiridani, she rules all the four directions. Suddha Tamare, she is immaculate. She sits she is seated on a Tamare Chutti, on a pure lotus. And she writes the Narkar Karidani means, Kari means elephant, Karidani. She writes the elephant. That is the beauty of Ambal. 1052. Jnana Mashakti ival Sutta Vambu Ara Tanatti Suhodaya Vattuvamai Alumashakti Maparai அத்தகையான மனோரணி தானுமாய் வைத்தவக்கோல மதியவள் ஆகுமே. சுத்தவம்பு ஆரத்தனத்தி, she wears garlands. She wears corsets on her breast and her bosom is adorned with garlands. Suhodayal, Sukham, she grants Sukham, bliss. She is the source of bliss. Vattuvam, she is Maya. Vattuvam means Maya, and binds the Jiva with that Maya. Alumashakti Mapare, she is the Parashakti. Tahayana Manorani, she resides in the forest of the mind. The mind is compared to a forest where all the animals roam, that disturbed mind, but she rules when she sits and regulates the mind. She is the Manorani, Tanumai, பைத்தவக்கோல மதியவள் ஆகுமே. Tavakkum, she wears this beautiful, she has taken this beautiful form, and she is the effulgent form, and she is the Madiyaval, she is the embodiment of jnana, she is the embodiment of knowledge. 1053. அவளை அறியா அமரரும் இல்லை, அவளன்றி செய்யும் அருந்தவம் இல்லை, அவள் அன்றி ஐவரால் ஆவது ஒன்று இல்லை, அவள் அன்றி ஊர் புகுமாறு அறியேனே. அவளன்றி ஊர் புகுமாறு, ஊர் means to reach the destination. Where, that means what? Without her help, without her grace, one cannot attain liberation, one cannot be free. அவளை அறியா அமரரும் இல்லை. There are no devas who doesn't know her. All the devas worship her. அவளன்றி செய்யும் அருந்தவம் இல்லை. Without her, without invoking the Shakti, no penance is done. அவளன்றி ஐவரால் ஆவது ஒன்றில்லை. Without her, the gods cannot carry out their actions. What are the ஐவரால் ஆவதொன்று? What are the ஐவர்? Five what? Major what? Creation, sustenance, destruction, grace and மறைத்தல். ஆக்கல், காத்தல், அழித்தல், அருளல், மறைத்தல். These are all the five forms of Shiva, Rudra. Do that. Sada Shiva, Rudra, Shiva, Rudra. I forgot. 5 forms of Shiva. Brahma, Vishnu. So without her grace, these people, these gods also cannot function. அவளன்றி ஊர் புகுமாறு அறியேனே. Without her support, without her guidance, without her grace, I cannot reach the holy feet of Shiva. That is 1053. 1054. அறிவார் பராசக்தி ஆனந்தம் என்பார், அறிவார் அறிவுருவாம் அவள் என்பார், அறிவார் கருமம் அவள் இச்சை என்பார், அறிவார் பரணும் அவளிடத்து ஆணை. அறிவார் பராசக்தி ஆனந்தம் என்பார். Those who have realized the divine Shakti within them, they say that she is bliss. அறிவார் அறிவுருவாம் அவள். When the other people, some people, when they realize in their heart, they say she is knowledge, she is the embodiment of knowledge, she is the source, she is the embodiment of bliss. அறிவார் கருமம் அவள் இச்சை என்பர். Whatever actions, there is no my will, it is all her desire, it is all her will, says another set of people. அறிவார் பரணும் அவளிடத்தானே. But they all know that Lord Paran, the supreme Brahman, that is with her. 1055. தான் எங்கு உள அங்குள தையல், ஊன் எங்கு உள அங்கு உள் உயிர் காவலன், வான் எங்குள அங்குளே வந்து அப்பாலாம், கோணெங்கும் நின்ற குறிபல பாரு. தான் எங்கு உள அங்குள தையல். Wherever the Lord is, she is everywhere. Wherever the Lord is, the Devi is also there. Where there is a body, woon engula, woon means body. Where there is a body, where there is flesh and blood, where there is a body, in that body she is the indweller. Uyir, she is the indweller, she is the life force. வான் எங்குள்ள அங்குளே வந்து அப்பாலாம். வான் எங்கு உள்ளதோ, where there is space and beyond space, she pervades the entire cosmos. வான் எங்குள்ள அங்குளே வந்து அப்பாலாம், கோணெங்கும் அப்பாலாம், space and beyond space, everywhere. கோணெங்கும் நின்ற குறி பல பாரு. She is the head chief, and she is everywhere. கோணெங்கும் எங்கும் நின்ற. She rules the entire cosmos. 1056. பராசக்தி மாசக்தி பல்வகையாலும் தராசக்தியாய் நின்ற தன்மை உணரா உராசக்தி ஊழிகள் தோறும் உடனே புராசக்தி புண்ணியமாகிய போகமே. பராசக்தி மாசக்தி. See, here there are three words: Tarashakti, Parashakti, and Purashakti. Tarashakti is one who holds, one who supports. Purashakti, where the indweller. Purashakti is grace. This Parashakti is Mahashakti. She is the Tarashaktiyayi nindu Tanmai Unara. She is the Adharas for, she is the support, she is the sole support for all the jivas. Tarashaktiyayi nindu Tanmai Unara. So realize that she is your support, she is the indwelling energy, she is your guide, she is your support. தராசக்தியாய் நின்ற தன்மை உணரா உராசக்தி ஊழிகள் தோறும் உடனே புராசக்தி புண்ணியமாகிய போகமே. She is there, உராசக்தி ஊழிகள் தோறும். She is there throughout the yugas. She is the one who bestows grace. Bogame, she is supreme pleasure. Everything is divine Shakti. 1057. போகம் செய் சக்தி புரி குழல் ஆளோடும் பாகம் செய்து ஆங்கே பராசக்தியாய் நிற்கும் ஆகம் செய்து ஆங்கே அடியவர் நாள்தோறும் பாகம் செய் ஞானம் படர்கின்ற கும்பே. போகம் செய் சக்தி புரி குழல் ஆளோடும். According to their karmas, she grants enjoyment to the jivas. புரி குழல் ஆளோடும் பாகம் செய்து ஆங்கே. She resides in the heart of the devotees and grants them bliss and grace. பாகம் செய்து ஆங்கே பராசக்தியாய் நிற்கும் ஆகம் செய்து ஆங்கே அடியவர் நாள்தோறும் பாகம் செய் ஞானம் படர்கின்ற கும்பே. ஆகம் செய்து means worshipping her in the heart. The devotees gets guys, and then she is happy, rejoiced with their prayer, with their intensity. She grants them boon, bliss and grace. செம்பவள் ஆகம் செய்து ஆங்கே அடியவர் நாள்தோறும் பாகம் செய் ஞானம் படர்கின்ற கும்பே. She is the wine. Her feet are the vines which the devotees hold on to cross the ocean. தமிழில் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல கொழு கொம்புன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, to catch hold, something to hold on to. She is that. Shall we see one more? 1058. கொம்பனை ஆளை குவிமுலை மங்கையை வம்பவிழ் கோதையை வானவர் நாடியை செம்பவள திருமேனி சிறுமியை நம்பி என்னுள்ளே நயந்து வைத்தேனே. நம்பி என் உள்ளே, having the trust, the faith in her, I hold her in my heart. This Tripura Sundari, I am keeping her in my heart. Kumbanayale, like something, a stick to hold on to, support. For the jiva, she is the support, she is the stick, she is the Kulukumbu. Kuvimulai, தேர் சிந்தும் குவிமலை மங்கையை வம்பவிழ் கோதையை. It is she is the support of life. She is she adorns her breasts are covered with the corset, and she adorns fragrant flower garlands on her bosom and on her hair. Vambavil Kodai, Vanavar Nadiyai, she is adorned by the Devas. She is the one who Devas see. She is the girl of red coral hue. Sembavala Tirumeni Chirmi. She is like she's a young girl of red coral hue. In intense faith, I hold her in my heart and worship her. That is 1058. 1059. வைத்த பொருளும் மறுவுயிர்ப்பன்மையும் பத்து முகமும் பறையும் பராபரை சித்தக்கரணச் செயல்களும் செய்திடும் சக்தியும் வித்தை தலையவள் ஆமே. The Paraparai is the supreme feminine energy, the Parashakti. Vaitha Purnam, she creates all the diverse lives. Maruvai Panmayam, she creates and she resides in them. Pattumugam, she is 10-faced. And she Pattumugam Parayam Paraparai Chittakarana Chelgalum Seidilum. She moves the mind, intellect and will. Shaktiyum Vittai Talayaval Ame. She is Shakti, and she is the Jnana, she is the wisdom. She only can grant these things. With this we will conclude 1059. 1039 to 1059. We have covered. What we have to understand is this. The divine feminine energy is described by various names. That energy, without that energy, what will happen? No, when the energy leaves the body is it becomes a corpse. There is no movement, there is no life. So the life force, she is the Shakti. So tap that Shakti while seeing the Shakti outside, going to the temples, deities and all that, you realize that divine within you, the Parashakti within you, who is in detail. Thirumolar has described all her glories, the ornaments she wears, everything he has given in all these verses. Sundari, Andari, Kumkumi, Parai, Narani, Ishi, Manonmani, Abhirami, Agochari, Chandika, Tabodani, Puratani, Mohini, Karidani. These are all various names given to the magnificent form of Shakti. How her color is coral hued, reddy hued. Her brows are like bow. On her feet she wears these anklets. She is robed in red silk. Her breasts are contained in corsets. She sports a bow of sugarcane, arrow of flowers, elephant goad and noose strings. Pasam, noose strings we say, no? On her lovely head she wears that crown. She wears kundalas. She wears Rudraksha bead, garland of flowers and a glowing crown on which the crescent moon beams. She is the Immaculate. She is seated in the circle of lotus flowers. Lotus flowers, where is the lotus? The lotus is here. She resides in your heart. She is the Devi. Seek her, worship her. She will guide you. She is in the form of energy. She will guide you. She is your Guru, says Tirumula in these verses. With this, we will conclude this.